Tokyo CNN. According to the law passed 20 years ago, transgender individuals who want their identity documents to change must be diagnosed with gender identity disorder, at least 18 years old, unmarried and have no minor children. This means they must have undergone invasive procedures, including sterilization and plastic surgery. The law has long been condemned by human rights groups, and previous challenges in court were also rejected, until this case was filed by a transgender woman who wanted to change her legal gender from male to female without surgery. The plaintiff argued that years of hormone therapy had already affected her reproductive abilities. According to public broadcaster NHK, his case was rejected by a family court and a higher court before coming to the Supreme Court. On Monday, the court ruled in her favor, declaring the provision requiring sterilization unconstitutional. The restriction of the freedom to protect from bodily harm pursuant to this provision has become increasingly unnecessary at this point, and the degree of restriction has become more serious. For this reason, the provision in question is not necessary and reasonable, he said. He added that reproductive rights are recognized as fundamental human rights under the Constitution. It's only the 12th time it's happened since World War II. However, this does not mean that the entire law has been changed. It just means that the provision requiring sterilization has been changed. The Supreme Court rejected another regulation requiring transgender individuals to have sexual organs that similar to those of the opposite sex, finding it unconstitutional. According Monday's decision, this part of the case will be sent back to a lower court for consideration, adding that this requirement does not directly force transgender people undergo surgery. The decision was met with mixed reactions, with some praise and celebration within the LGBTQ community, as well as concerns about remaining surgical requirements and broader societal attitudes. At press conference following verdict, plaintiff's lawyer, Kazuyuki Minami, read a statement from plaintiff stating that he was extremely surprised by unexpected result. In a positive direction, lawyer Minami added that there have been really very few decisions that have found existing laws to be unconstitutional, making this decision very important. But he admitted it's frustrating that we didn't get the best outcome wanted. Looks like the other gender. Still, it gives them hope, he said, calling it a revolutionary decision. Many people can see how keenly the jurors are interested in the matter. The National Coalition to establish laws for persons with difficulties due to sexual orientation and gender identity, also known as LGBT Legal Coalition, also applauded decision and said it hopes Supreme Court would make a fair decision on remaining issues. Requirements for transgender individuals. The organization also expr